parents and dear students, how are you, ma? Hope you are doing well in this pandemic situation, and you all know very well. So our management is starting online classes about your safety. Stay home, stay safe, ma. And here we are completed already 2 lessons previous. What is the first lesson, ma? Do you remember about the animals? I said no. What is the first lesson? On the farm. What is the first lesson for us? On the farm. So I explained about the animals in the first lesson. And what is the second lesson? A walk with Dadu. A walk with Dadu. And about the girl, little girl Deena, and she went to walk with her Dadu, and that is our second lesson. So now we are going to start the third one, ma, here. And here they gave one poem for you. And what is the poem name? I will explain you. So you will do some activities, and you will think, and you will write, and you will be play sometime. And when you are doing these all the activities, so what you will think, and how you will do these all the activities. So you will think sometime, and what you want to do, which activity you want to do, that all you will be think yourself. Yes or no? Yes. So how will you think? So which organ help us to think? Which organ help us to think, ma'am? So we all think with our brain. Yes or no? We use our brain to think. So that is our poem name, ma'am. I use my brain. I use my brain. I use my brain. So this is our poem here. So I use my brain. So why we have to use our brain? To do the activities, to think and do all the types of actions. So I use my brain to think. They gave here the first stanza. Look at the first stanza, ma. So I use my brain to think. So we use our brain to think properly. And I use my nose to smell. We all use the nose to smell. And I use my eyes to blink. So I use my eyes to blink. See here the little boy there. So he is explaining his feelings. So he is using all these body parts to do some actions, ma. Are you able to see this picture, ma? See here one little boy is there, and he is doing something in the picture. See, he is smelling with his nose, and he is jumping here. So that all we can see in this poem. I use my brain to think. I use my nose to smell. I use my eyes to blink. So he is blinking his eyes. I use my throat. Throat means this part, ma, and he is using to yell. Yell means shout loudly. Yell means shout loudly. You will be shout, no? Same like that. That shouting is called as yell. I use my mouth to giggle. Giggle means laugh softly, not loudly. Soft laughing is called as giggling. So he is using his mouth to giggling. Giggling means laugh softly. I use my hips to bump. So he is using his hips to bump. And I use my toes to wiggle means he is using his toes to wiggling. See here, they gave the action. See here, ma, move up and down. He is using his toes to using up and down. And I use my legs to jump high up and down. He is using his legs to jump. See, like this he is using all his body parts, and he is doing different activities. And what is the first one? I use my brain to think. I use my nose to smell. I use my eyes to blink. And I use my throat to yell. Yell means shout. And I use my mouth to giggle. Giggle means laugh softly. And I use my hips to bump. And I use my toes to wiggle. And I use my legs to jump. So like this he is explaining all the activities what he is doing in the garden and in the home. So these are all the activities. These are all the activities he is doing with the different body parts. But for these activities also he is using his brain. The brain is he he is activating his brain and doing all these actions. So here the brain is the more important part and he is using his brain and he is thinking all these activities and he is doing. And here they gave the two question and answers for us. See here, ma. What is the first question? Do you see your what do you use your mouth for? What do you use your mouth for? What you will do? You like to eat and talk, that all. So, but here what they gave in our poem, he used mouth for giggling, means laugh softly. And second question ma here, what do you use your legs for? So, we use our legs to walk and run. But what they give in the poem, what this boy is using, so he used his legs to jump. So, here they gave the two questions. So, we have to take the lines from the poem and we have to write the answers. So, these two questions I will give as a worksheet now to you. And here in the next page you can observe here page number 15. They gave to fill in the blanks and I will explain on the board. And one more also there here, one coloring part. They gave one teddy bear. And so after you getting your books, you have to color this teddy neatly and you have to give a name. Give him a name. So you have to name him. Here the fill in the blanks are there. Ma. The first one, see. What is the first one? What do you use your brain for? They gave the question mark and also blank. So what do you use your brain for? See, I use my brain for think. So what we have write in this blank? Think. Next, the second one, only two blanks they gave. What do you use your throat for? What do you use your so throat? What do you use your throat for? See here, for yell means shout. Yes or no? So here they gave these two fill in the blanks. What do you use your brain for? So we use our brain for think. And see here, what do you use your throat for? We use our throat for yell means shout or talk. See here, and you have to color this picture also, ma. And but you are getting these two questions as your homework. So I will give the answers also for you. You have to practice well and stay home, stay happy, ma. You have to practice all these questions in the home. Thank you, children.